going to start with how I like to edit my photos in Photoshop. So for here, I keep everything pretty organized. I'll go into my files, and usually every project that we've had here. The one I really liked was the Edward Western inspired project. So let's go ahead and open it. And from here, we have all the different layers that I did. It kind of just fell into it at first. I kind of wanted to get your eyes kind of in the middle, but also see all this around of everything that's going on with the onion as I started photoshopping it more and more. My expectations at first were just kind of throw it on there. I was going to do it in color. Um, but then I didn't really like it. I did and I didn't. I feel like I got more out of the photo, made it pop when I did add the more of the darker layers. So here I'll turn off all my layers. This is the one I liked at first, but I couldn't really edit out these two little spots here from overexposure. Um, so yeah, so then I just started playing with it, going through here. With each thing here, you can adjust more and more. You can play with it. I won't be saving it, so I can just mess around. Go in here, how bright do I like it? Move these up and back, around and around. Um, Again, you can go over here, play with the level. Each bar you can move back and forth, just trying to get that what your eye you think is just right. Always like to mess around with brightness and contrast, but here I didn't really need too much because I was using it with the other filters. And I was like, oh, well, let me try black and white. And that's when I kind of got like, okay, this is what I want. I want you to get deep and down with the dark. And go here and you can start painting, getting rid of some stuff that you didn't like. And then used another filter to get a little bit more pop here. And then the exposure. Just kind of wanted to darken up those rings on the side there. So this is how I exposed it, or how I applied all my edits. And I hope you liked it. I got some good comments on it. So, all right, have a good day. Thank you.